So today we're changing the wiper blades of the 2007 328 XI. Here we go. I bought this Bosch. This is what we're going to be changing. Comes two. This one has a 24-inch and 19-inch wiper blade. So usually when you take them out, just measure if it's the correct size. See, 24. There we go, 24 inches, that's pretty good. The other one is 19. So what you want to do is pick them up, pry from the top. Just pry from the top. You just pop up. Just pull, just push up. Just push it off. So just to put them back on. That's what you're gonna do. It's hard to do it with one hand. There you go. Just push it in. And just pop from the bottom first. Put the bottom part first. And then snap it in there. That's it. Same thing for the other side. Let me see if I can reach him. Okay, just pry from the top. And switch out. Wait. There we go. There we go. Okay. That side is tough to do it with one hand. Where is it? There we go. Backwards. Oh, I'm putting the wrong one. There we go. There you go. Now put the bottom first, the bottom, and then snap on the top. There we go. That's it. That's about it.